Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video I will show you how to change text size on Telegram. To do this it's very simple. You have just to go to Telegram and after that go and click on settings. Scroll down until you find appearance and after that go to text size and you can change it like you want. For example, you can make it bigger, like you can use the system size, or make it custom, like make it bigger or make it smaller. Or if you just want to use the system like size or setting, you have just to activate that option and it will be like your normal system size. I hope that you like this video. Of course, after that you have to click on set. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and see you in the next one.